Hi, my name is Raimundas and thank you for checking out my channel. Um, I do unboxing videos and later on I will do some tutorials for creating videos and pictures. And so yeah, it's my first time on the camera, so I'm a bit like um, stressed, not stressed but scared. So yeah, and today I will do unboxing video for my Ronin Sc gimbal. So let's check it out. What's in that box? So last week I was unboxing this camera, Sony Alpha 7 Mark III. It's full frame mirrorless camera. And if you wanna check my unboxing video, I will leave a link in description. It's really light camera and I'm really happy to have it and to use it. I'll do my videos like filming myself, and I will do later on tutorials how to shoot with this camera, settings and all other stuff. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, press notification bell button and like. So let's begin our unboxing video for Ronin Sc gimbal. So down here we have DJI Ronin Sc gimbal, and box itself is really light. Let's check what's inside the box. So let's open up. That's how looks this box from inside. And down here we have user manual for DJI Ronin Sc. On the left hand side we have this Ronin handle, which includes battery. This battery keeps up to 11 hours. So let's put aside. And down here we have phone holder, so you can attach it and use your phone with it. And then on the right side we have this tripod. Which you can put like this, and then your gimbal will stand still. And down here we have some cables. So it's a USB cable with C plug, and then another two cables, which as well is from USB-C to USB-C, and another one from micro USB to USB-C. Down here we have converter from USB-C to micro USB. Next you have in the box DJI Ronin Sc release plate. Later on I will show you how to use it. And then down here we have a razor blade. If your camera is too small, you can raise it up a bit with this one. And down here you have some screws and other good stuff. And then, oh yeah, I forgot it. Down here you have your lens support. If you have bigger lens, so you can use it to hold it up for you. And then last we have 3-axis gimbal. So it can hold camera up to 2 kilos. And down here you have some locks down here, and then another down here. And yeah, it helps you to balance your camera. So in next video I will show you how to balance your camera, how to set it up your gimbal, and I will leave this DJI Ronin gimbal in the description where I bought it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like it. If you have any questions, leave comments in comment section, and thank you for watching. See you next time.